Hello, in this video I'm going to explain how we can implement authentication mechanism using JavaScript with the help of this package bcrypt.js. So the authentication mechanism was a part of my graduation project. I was working on an e-commerce system which requires a layer of security, and the way of doing that is using with the help of these two functions, login and the sign up. So first of all, we have to create a new user. We will ask the user to submit the name, email, and the password. So before saving that user into our database, saving that user password into our database, we will um, we will hash the value of the password and then submit the hashed value to our database, store it in our database. So the way of doing that is using this function bcrypt.hash, and we will send the password that the user submitted and the salt rounds that we can manually type. So after that, I will get back to the sign up function, and we will, in case everything went correctly, we will just send 201 indicating that everything went successfully. So similar for the login function, we first of all we have to find if that user is already exist in our database using this function, and then we have to check if the password that the user type it in the form is equal to the original password that is stored in our database. In case they are not correct, we will throw an error and the status code 401. Otherwise, we will send 200 indicating that everything went correctly. So to test that out, we will go to Postman, and here we have a route for the sign up mechanism. So I will add a value here for the name and the email and the password to be like this. And now I will submit that. So as we can see here, we have successfully created our user, and as we can see here in the password, we are storing the hashed version of the password, not the original value. So let's now try to log in. I will pass the same email and the password. So now let's type a wrong password and try to log in. So as we can see here, we have a message telling us that incorrect email or password. In case we submit it correctly, we will get that user and the password that is hashed correctly. Thank you for listening.